Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a public profile on Snap. First, open the Snap app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Scroll down to find the Create Public Profile option. This feature allows you to share your content beyond your friends, reaching a much broader audience. It's a great way to showcase your creativity and connect with new people. Let's get started with the initial setup. To create a public profile, you must be at least 18 years old and have at least one friend on Snap. If you meet these requirements, tap Create Public Profile and then continue through the prompts. Review the information presented, which explains what a public profile entails. This includes showing your name, subscriber count, and public stories. Confirm your decision to proceed with the setup. Now it's time to personalize your public profile. You can add a profile photo and write a short, engaging bio that tells people about you. Decide if you want your subscriber count to be visible to others. You can also feature your best public stories, making them easily accessible to anyone viewing your profile. This customization helps you make a strong first impression and attract new followers. Once your public profile is set up, you can always go back to your profile settings to edit your bio, change your photo, or update your featured stories. Share your public profile link on other social media platforms to invite more people to follow you on Snap. This helps grow your audience and expand your reach. Remember to check the description for the link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.